In this video, we'll discuss properties of matter, which include physical and chemical properties. Physical properties describe the physical characteristics of a substance, which can be described using your five senses or with numerical quantities. Chemical properties describe how that substance reacts with other substances or the ability for it to react with other substances. For example, oxygen is flammable. Water can dissolve substances or cause rust, and then acid is corrosive. Examples of physical properties are malleability, the ability to hammer a substance, the ability of that substance to be hammered into sheets, or how easily it'll bend. You have luster, so how shiny that substance is. Brittleness, how easily it breaks. And then density, the ratio of mass to volume. Notice all three of these cubes have the same volume, they're the same size, but if you were to pick up a foam block that was the same size as an iron block, the iron block would be heavier even though they're the same volume. So iron is more dense than foam. Intensive and extensive properties. Intensive properties do not depend on the amount of matter. For example, boiling point. A small substance or a small sample of a substance versus a large sample of the same substance will boil at the same temperature. And then both of those substances would have the same luster. Now, extensive properties does depend on the amount of matter. Small sample of a substance would weigh less than a large sample, or the small sample would potentially be shorter than the large sample. Now, chemical properties, you have corrosive, so that's can it burn your skin or can it dissolve substances, like metal. Flammability, can it catch on fire? Toxicity, is it poisonous? Acidity, acidity is kind of like corrosiveness because it has similar properties, but really what it is, it's the concentration of hydrogen ions in that solution. Okay, hopefully that helps.